So let's take a look at how we can use variables in our code. I've got our Hello World program open here, and I'm going to demonstrate creating a variable, and then we're going to look at the value of that variable. So I'll go ahead and create a variable, an integer, and we'll call this variable number, and we'll give it a value of 3. And then let's go ahead and print out, using println, just like we had done with Hello World, the value of that variable. And println is actually a method that lets us write to the console. We can call it like this with system.out.println, and it'll take a lot of the different primitive types or string and let you print to the screen. So we can print our number out, and it's going to print out 3. You can see here it says Hello World, and then we have 3. And the way that this works is you can see that we have our variable, we've declared the type as an integer, we've said what the name is, and then we've done an assignment and we've assigned it to the literal value of 3. We could also do this with a string. We could say string name equals Joe, and then we could print that out as well. So let's run this and see what happens. Now you can see we've got our Hello World, we've got 3, we've got Joe. So that's really the use of a variable. We could also rename or reassign a variable. So I could change the name to Jimmy, and then you can see that it was first set to Joe, then it changed to Jimmy, and now it should print out Jimmy. We can also do things like assign a variable to a equation, basically, or a statement here. We can say number equals 5 plus 2, and of course we're going to get it assigned to 7 here, and we can prove that by running, and you can see that it's now 7. So really this variable can hold the result of a computation, a string, whatever type that we'd want.